Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Is your LG washing machine flashing CL code and you can't start your washer? Here's the problem. CL stands for control lock. Some people think it also stands for child lock. Here's how to fix it. This one says rinse and spin, and then under it, it says child lock. All you need to do is hold that down for about 3 or 4 seconds and it will turn off and go away. So that's actually a safety feature. So once that's off, then we can turn it back on. We're all set to go. All right, my friends, hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I got lots of other videos on washers, dryers, how they work, how to fix them, and some reviews. We'll see you next time.